okay. Why is the front door open? You have to close it. Man, I can't believe those people demolished our house.
I know, right? Just because there were termites in the wall. They're so cute, though. I wanted to.
You know, termites can actually damage your house, right?
I know, but they were so adorable. And then Ohio with that termites in the house. Hey, man.
Whoa, is she okay now?
Yeah. Oh, Food's here.
Okay, go get it.
Got it.
Do you miss our old house or do you like this new one better?
I like this new one better. I'm happy they let us find it and all that.
But I do sometimes miss the old one.
Yeah. I'm gonna second burger. The burgers are good. What kind of drink do you want?
Orange juice, please.
Got an orange juice. Good.
What drink was your friend's favorite drink? What kind of drink does your friend like?
Milk.
Oh, milk.
She ate it with milk.
She did?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you guys have fun when you guys both lived in Brookhaven?
Yeah.
Do you ever miss
And
Brookhaven?
Yeah. And also, don't forget, we have to take a shower.
Oh yeah, we're kind of stinky. You go first. I'm gonna go put my dish in the dishwasher.
We have school. So we have school, so we have to take a shower.
Yeah, you go first.
Okay, give me a second. I'm gonna put my plate and cup in there. Don't forget to drink your drink.
I will. Wait, you're already clean?
So, yeah.
We don't have backpacks, so let's just go backpackless.
Remember, we have a test today. That's why you study.
Oh.
Oh, that's my friend's dad's house.
Wait, let's see it up close.
This is my friend's dad's house.
Does he still live here?
Yeah, he still lives here.
Sure.
He's in Ohio with
He's in Ohio with your friend?
Yeah.
I wonder how she's doing back there. That's pretty far away.
Also, we might not want to be late to school.
Yeah, our teacher can overreact.
Overreact, like slapping our hands with a ruler, or just kicking us out of school completely.
Oh my goodness.
Wait up for me.
Oh my goodness, Flower.
What?
Nothing.
I have to study for the test. Why didn't you study?
I already studied last night.
No, even if you sleep, you can lose some of the things that you already studied.
Yeah, we have a pop quiz today, and if we get it wrong, boy, our teacher
will be furious.
Yeah, I don't get why he gets so furious when we get a question wrong. We don't know.
Last time he gave us an impossible question to answer us and chased us all around the school.
Yeah, he's such a weird. What's his name anyway?
Actually, you know what? Do you want to skip school today?
Yeah, I'm not sure our teacher would be okay with that. I can't believe Baldi found us and pulled us into school.
Oh, right. That pop quiz, I only got like a 99 on it, and he chased me around the school.
Yeah, Baldi, he's a furious guy. I don't get what's wrong with him.
I'm gonna play him so I can beat him up tomorrow.
Yeah, we have to beat Baldi up. I don't get why he does this to people. He always gives us an impossible question, and it's impossible to answer. And he thinks, oh, you're not good at math.
He literally gave us a question with, it's literally like infinity times infinity, and then there was like 2, 3, and 5. None of the answers were even correct.
Yeah. He thinks that, oh, we're gonna guess impossible questions. No! Of course not!
God, so annoying.
Let's lift up weights so we can beat Baldi up.
We also got a train to run away.
Yeah. If Baldi ever... I'm going to drop out of school if Baldi continues to do this.
Oh no, I'll just report him to the principal and have him fired.
Yeah. I wonder what Baldi will do to us then.
We can keep listening. I'm gonna keep practicing.
I want to get back on the treadmill.
Okay. I really want to beat him to death, so that's why I'm gonna keep boxing.
Ah, gym is over. Well, at least we probably have like a good amount of strength. We'll do it. We'll still do it tomorrow.
Hide! The gym teacher will find us.
Girls.
Oh no!
Uh-oh. Ah! Get back here!
Never! Lonnie, don't get caught!
He got me!
Lonnie, I think you said... Lonnie? Oh no. Hey, Baldi! Why don't you take this kick to the face?
Ew, Baldi's disgusting armpits got me all stinky.
I think I actually killed him.
Let's get out of here before he wakes up, if he even does.
I'm just gonna drag his body over here and...
Ew, I smell!
I just dumped his body over the fence.
Let's get home.
I'm gonna go back into the gym.
Do you think we should go home afterwards?
Yeah, you don't want to stay out too late, because then creeps will come.
Alright, I'm getting smelly. I probably should go home and shower.
Okay, I'll be there after I'm done with the gym.
Alright, I'll see you later.
Later. Lonnie must be in her room sleeping. Wait, what's the smell? Why does it smell like rotten eggs? Oh, whatever. I'm gonna take a book here. And I'm just gonna sit here and read. Ew, what was that noise? Where did that come from? Is it Lonnie? I'm just gonna open the door a little bit and smash it down. Nope. And I wasn't her. I'm gonna check my room and then check the bathroom. Ah! No. Not in my room. So, the only place is the bathroom. Uh-huh! Hello, Bobby? Oh, get out of my house! Get out! No! I'm gonna come over to your toilet and beat you up. Bobby! Die! Now I'm just gonna leave him in there and I'm gonna go to bed.